नमस्कार दोस्तों, छोटे बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग। देखिए, जहाँ वी आर स्टार्टिंग from the part where we have left out in the earlier classes. Now study the given figures carefully and find the weight of this. What is this? This is a watermelon and this is an apple. Now see the weighting machine. Here there are four watermelons. WM is for watermelon, and there are three apples. Three apples. Okay. Now it's their weight is around 2000 gram. Okay, this is for apple and this is for watermelon. Okay, now in the next case, how much weight it is given? If it is this is 500, so this is 600, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay, so here it is two watermelons and plus one apple, it is around 900 gram. So these are the two equations that are being formed. Now just what happens, I can write it as, for example, if I want to calculate the value, so what I can do, I can just multiply the second equation, multiply the second equation by 2. Okay, isn't it? For example, or you can say, or just leave this method also. Just you can say that this is watermelon plus watermelon plus watermelon plus watermelon, and then plus 3 apples, or apple plus apple plus apple, this is 2000 gram. Okay, and now again this is watermelon plus watermelon plus 1 apple is equal to 900 gram. So what we can do, we can just put down the value of this, okay, into here. Okay, so how much we will get it as? Watermelon plus this is 900 gram, and plus apple is equal to 2000 gram. Okay, again there are two watermelons and one apple, so the value will be again 900 gram plus 900 gram plus apple is equal to 2000 gram. Okay, so this apple, value of apple will be 2000 minus 1800, that will be equal to 200 gram. Okay, this is 200 gram. Now what we can do is just put down the value of for example, in second equation, that is here in second equation it is two watermelons plus 1 apple is equal to 900 gram. Okay, now this is 2 watermelon plus it is 200 is equal to 900 gram. Okay, so this is 2 watermelon is equal to 700 gram, so 1 watermelon is equal to 700 divided by 2, it is 350 gram. Simple. Now weight of what it is being asked here, weight of one watermelon plus one apple. So simple, weight of one watermelon we have already calculated, it is 350 grams, and weight of one apple, it is around 200 grams. So it will come out to be as 550 grams. So it will be C option. The answer will be C option. Next question. See, Priya, Payal and Kirti bought this much meter of ribbon for decorating the birthday present for Raman. What is the total length of ribbon they bought? See, length of ribbon, L is for length. Okay, L is for length. So length of ribbon, bought by Priya, length of ribbon bought by Priya, it is how much? It is 1 3 by 4, that means it will be 7 by 4 meters. Similarly, length of ribbon bought by Payal, it is 2 2 by 5, that is 5 2 ja 10 plus 2, 12 by 5 meter. Similarly, length of ribbon bought by Kirti, this is equal to 3 1 by 2, that is 7 by 2 meter. Okay, so total length, it is asking total length. Whenever the total length or total something is asked, it is always addition case. So total length will be L L1 plus L2 plus L3. If it is L1, it is L2 and it is L3. Now just add all these, 7 by 4 plus 12 by 5 plus 7 by 2. So how much it will be? It will be LCM will be what? LCM will be 20. 4 5 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, this is 5, and again this is, so 2 2 ja 4, 5 ja 20, 4 5 ja 20, 5 7 ja 35, plus 5 4 ja 20, 12 4 are 48, plus 2 10s are 20, it is 70. So how much it will come out to be as? It is around 35 plus 48, it is around 83, plus 70, it is 153 by 20. 153 by 20, that means just divide 153 by 20, so it will be 5 2 ja 6 2 ja 7 2 ja, it is 7, and it is 3, and it is 13, that means it will be 713 by 20 meter. Here it will be 20 will be the remainder, sorry, 13 will be the remainder, and that will come out to be in numerator part, and dividend and divisor, this is dividend and this is divisor, it will come out to be in denominator part. So answer will be 713 by 20 meter. Now next question. 400 poles were erected, okay, along a straight road. The distance between two consecutive means lagatar, continuous, like this and this and this, is 15 meter. That is, it is given as this is 15 meter, this is 15 meter, and so on. What is the distance between first and 199th pole? See, there is a formula. When distance between two poles is, distance between two poles is how much? It is 15 meter. Okay, so distance, D is for distance, okay, distance between first and 199th pole, it will be how much? It will be 15 into 199 minus 1, because the consecutive distance, it is given as 15 meters, so that distance will come and into 199 minus 1, 15 into 198, and it will be how much? 15 8s are 120, 12 carry, 15 9s are how much? It will come out to be as 2970 meter, that is 2 kilometer and 970 meter. So it will be B option. Okay, now next question. It was in continuation. See, this is a big pot, and this pot is equivalent to 3, how much? Sorry, this is the bottle. This bottle is equivalent to 2 cups and two big cups and one small cup. This mug is equivalent to 3 cups. So see what I can do. uh, it is around 5 cups and 3 bottles. So uh, what I can do, I can write it as 5 mugs, it will be mugs, plus 3 bottles. Can I write it as? Now 5 mugs plus 3 bottles. Now 5 mugs has 3 cups, 1 mug has 3 cups, so it will be equal to 3 cups, plus 3 bottles is equal to 2 mugs plus 1 cup. So see, this is 15 cups plus 3, and this 2 mugs is equal to, this mug is equivalent to 3 cups, so this is 3 cups plus C, and this again is 15 cups plus 3, and it is 2 3 just 6 cups plus C, and it is 15 cups plus 3 into 7 cups, and this is 15 cups plus 21 cups, and this is 36 cups. 36. Okay, so answer will be what? How many cups are needed to fill the pot? 36. See, what you have to do, just put down the values. Like these are the 5 mugs and this is 3 bottles. Now 1 mug can hold how much? 3 cups. So that's why I have written 5 into 3 cups, because this mug is here. 3 cups, okay? And 3 bottles. 1 bottle can hold 2 cups plus 1 small, 2 mugs plus a small cup. So I can write it as 2 mugs plus 1, sorry, 3 into 2 mugs plus 1 is small cup. So it will be 2 mugs plus 1 is small cup. Okay, next question. Avika was saving money to buy a necklace worth rupees 5824. She saved this much every month for 1 year. How much more money does she need to save to buy the necklace? See, cost of necklace is 5824 rupees. You can write it as cost of necklace, it is around rupees 5824. Okay, now amount, saved by, she saved, amount saved by Avika in 1 month, it is rupees 416. Okay, now amount saved by her, this means matlab it is in continuation, that is amount saved by her in 12 months. 1 year has 12 months, so it will be how much? It will be rupees 416 into 12. That means how much? It will be 12 6 just 72, 7 carry, 12 1 just 12, it is 9, and 12 4 just 48, it is 49. So this is rupees 4992. Now how much more money does she need to save to buy the necklace? Amount of more money she needed to save is, total money is how much? 5824, and minus how much? 4992. So it will come out to be as 2 3, this is 9, sorry, 10 16 17, it is 832. Okay, so it is rupees 832. So answer will be 832. Okay, because total worth cost was 5824. Okay, now next question is, if the weight of one ball is 2 kg and the weight of one box is C, this is big box, B it is for box, plus how many balls are there? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 is small balls, plus 1, I can write it as uh, I can write it as like okay, I can just put down the symbol here. So here we have to just see if this is the container, the two containers are kept here, and how many balls are there? See, weight of you can say weight of two, this is a container type, this is equal to weight of 10 apples, 10 balls, sorry, that is this, these are the balls. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so weight of one container will be, this is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. Okay, 1 minute, weight of 10 balls now, see, this is actually, this is ball, so this is weight of one ball is 2 kg, so 5 into 2, this is 10 kg, it will come out to be like this way. Okay, now weight of one box, big box, is equal to how much? You can say, sorry, I can't write this, weight of, you can say weight of one, this is square box, this is box, this is equal to weight of 5 balls. Okay, plus weight of one, this container. Okay, this beaker type. So this is what weight of 5 balls is, what weight of one ball is 2 kg, so 5 into 2 kg, and plus weight of one container we have already calculated, it is 10 kg, so it is 10 plus 10 20 kg. So answer will be 20, C option. Next question, Anamika's flight to Bangalore, this is the last question. Anamika's flight to Bangalore departs at 2:45 p.m. She has to check in at the airport terminal 1 hour 10 minutes earlier. The journey to the terminal is taking 1 hour 15 minutes. She needs 45 minutes to get dressed and 20 minutes to have her lunch. At what time should she start preparing for her trip? See, at which Anamika, time at which Anamika's flight depart. Okay, it is 2:45 p.m. This is the departing time, this is what departing time, and time at which she has to check in. What is the check-in time? Check-in time is 1 hour 10 minutes before. That means if the departing time is 2:45, then she has to check in 1 hour 10 minutes before. I can write it as 1 hour 10 minutes before 2:45 p.m. That means it will be 2:45 minus 1 into 110 5. That means it should be 1:35 p.m. Now time taken by her to reach the airport, getting where she is getting dressed, and then 20 minutes she took to have her lunch. So I can write it as time taken, T is for time, okay, time taken by her to reach airport, to reach airport, then getting dressed and having lunch. It is how much? It is given as the journey to the terminal is 1 hour 15 minutes. So first 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes, and then 45 minutes she took to get dressed, and then 20 minutes she took for lunch. Okay, so it will come out to be as how much? 45 plus 20 is 65. It is around C 1, and it is 45 plus 20 65. 65 and 15 is how much? It is 180. So 80 minus 60 if I do, so it will come out to be as 20. So it is around 2 hours 20 minutes, that is 2 hours 20 minutes before 1:35 p.m. that we have already calculated here, that departing time is 2:45 and then time check-in is 1 hour 10 minutes before. She has to reach the airport 1 hour 10 minutes before the departing time. That means the time should be 1:35 p.m. So before 1:35 p.m. it will be how much? 220 and minus 135, isn't it? It will come out to be as 11:15 a.m. Okay, 220, 2 hours 20 minutes she took. So how much if I'm supposed to 220 minus 1 is 235, so you can say it as 5, and then you can 220, no, just calculate it in your mind, that this is the total time taken by her to reach the airport where she was dressed, and then lunch, it was around this much, and it was 2 hour 20 minutes, and it is before 1:35 p.m. So it will come out to be as how much? 2 hour 20 minutes before. आप just calculate करो इसको, कितना होगा? 135 कितना था? देखिए मैं आपको बताती हूँ, I just tell you, 135 आपका कितना था? ये आपका था 12, this was your 6, this is 9, this is 3, and this is 1, this is 2. तो यहाँ पे here this is 1 and this is 135, यही था ना? तो 135 का जरा आप एक बार इसको घड़ी पीछे लेके जाइए, 1 आवर करिए माइनस, तो कितना हो जाएगा? इट विल बी 12:35. अगेन 1 आवर माइनस कीजिए तो इट विल बी 11:35. फिर उसमें से 20 मिनट्स आप और माइनस कर दीजिए, सो इट विल कम आउट टू बी एज 11:15. सिंपल. तो ये कब हो जाएगा? मॉर्निंग टाइम में 11:15 am. सो वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, जस्ट यू हैव टू बी इन टच. सो सी ऑप्शन. तो अगर आपको, इफ़ यू लाइक माई वे ऑफ टीचिंग, प्लीज़ इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर कीजिए, सो दैट दे मे ऑल्सो गेट बेनिफिटेड. प्लीज़ 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 इसको लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. टिल देन, थैंक यू.